Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide everyone on how to use MK Text to automatically post on the Twitter platform. Okay, first, we will go to the X platform, the MK Text software, then select the posting section and choose to post. Select the accounts we want to post from. Next is to set the time. Here, we will set 30 to 40 seconds. Next is the content section. We will choose content uniform for all these accounts and select content, save it. Next is to allow duplicate content posting. Post, post. Duplicate content. Next, each account posts one article and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Then, after that, we will click Start. The tool will automatically open and post for us. It's very simple and quick. If you find this video helpful, then please contact me via WhatsApp and Telegram. See you all in the next video.